Claudia. Today we're going to make a baked vegetable frittata. It's a great dish for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and it's also amazing to take on picnics, and hopefully the weather will soon be good enough for that. Alrighty, so what we will need for our frittata, we've got 8 eggs beaten. We've got 400 grams of either new potatoes or smallish potatoes cut into slices. We've got 300 grams of mixed vegetables. We've got broccoli, green beans and sugar snap peas. We've got 2 bunches of spring onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a handful of herbs. We've got a bit of parsley here and a little bit of chives, and we've got salt, pepper and 75 grams of cheese. Any cheese will do, soft, hard, goats, cows, and any kind of cheese. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. We're going to put our potatoes to boil in a pan full of water, and this goes on the stove for about 5 minutes, and then we'll start adding our vegetables so they all cook together in the same water. So while the potatoes are boiling, we are going to put a pan on the heat to a medium-high heat. Once it's hot, we'll add our 2 tablespoons of oil. To add our spring onions and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so the potatoes have been boiling for about 6 minutes. We're now going to add 6-7 minutes. We're now going to add our vegetables for another 3 minutes, more or less, until they're just about tender. And then we're going to drain everything. It's been 2 minutes. We're going to drain this. Then we're going to mix it with our onions. And that's our veggies ready. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to season our veg with the salt and pepper. Add our herbs. And now pour this mix into our beaten eggs. Make sure it's all nicely mixed through. Then we've got a small oven tray or oven dish or anything that you have that can hold the right amount, with a bit of baking paper, and in it goes. Flatten it out. Now we're going to put a cheese on top. And this now goes in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's set. Excellent, so 30 minutes later our frittata is ready. We now need to just take it out, let it cool down a bit and cut it into portions.